Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. This photo from 1954 captures sadhus arriving in car to Kumbh Mela in Prayagraj, a Chinese practice in which a family adopts and raises a girl. In exchange, she agrees to marry one of their sons when they reach marriage age. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and may help alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis. Incorporate fresh ginger into your diet or enjoy ginger tea. Over 96% of Americans drive automatic cars, whereas 32% of Europeans drive manual cars. Baby camels. If you repeatedly criticize someone for liking something you don't, they won't stop liking it, they will stop liking you. Most single women would choose their dog over a man, study finds. Service dogs go through a test where they have to watch an entire musical to pass their program. An educator named Horace Mann invented summer vacation in 1873. Two people never see the same rainbow. The best way of detecting a lie is to listen rather than look. Liars say less, give fewer details, and use the word I less than people telling the truth. 30% steep bridge in Japan is part of driving exam where 80% of driving students fail. Italian police drove a Lamborghini Huracan 500 km from Padua to Rome in just 2 hours, averaging 233 km per hour to deliver two donor kidneys for life-saving surgery. Identical twins, one smoked and tanned, the other did not. A bird with a crown of feathers and turquoise eyes meet the double-crested cormorant. Sweden has a rabbit show jumping competition called Kaninhoppning. The world record for the highest rabbit jump is 42 inches. Humans can die of laughter. It's usually due to intense laughter causing a heart attack or suffocation. 55% of the world's population aged 15 and older can't swim. NGC 2264, also known as the Christmas tree cluster, shows the shape of a cosmic tree with the glow of stellar lights. Fishing dates back over 40,000 years with evidence found in ancient cave paintings. Early humans used tools like bonefish, hooks and nets, with the oldest fish hooks dating to around 23,000 years ago. When a man had a heart attack at a grocery store in rural Minnesota, 20 people lined up and performed CPR on him for over an hour and a half until paramedics arrived and he survived. Fast radio burst is a mysterious brief burst of intense radio waves from deep space lasting only a few milliseconds. Bats protect historic manuscripts at Portuguese libraries. The eye sees things upside down. The eye captures an upside down image, but the brain quickly corrects it. Stumbling blocks in the front of countless front doors in Germany, a reminder of those who once lived there and were victims of the Nazi regime. This grandpa got a cochlear implant tattoo to match his grandson, so he did not felt bad about it. A Ukrainian aviation engineer has developed an airplane with detachable cabin. In an emergency, the cabin can separate from the aircraft, deploy parachutes and use inflatable cushions to ensure a safe landing on water or land. Scientists create first mouse model with complete functional human immune system. As of 2022, California is the most populous state in the US with 1 out of every 8 Americans residing there. The great-eared nightjar is pretty much a dragon bird. Meet the dango fish, a rare and bizarre deep sea creature from Japan. Pumpkin seeds can paralyze parasites, and papaya seeds help dissolve their protective layers, helping to eradicate them. Cuba masks originate from the Cuba people of the Democratic Republic of Congo and are used in rituals, ceremonies. The Kuba people, also known as the Bakuba, are an ethnic group primarily located in the central and southeastern regions of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The practice of playing music for callers on hold began with a faulty phone line connection. A loose wire touching the steel frame of an office building caused it to act as a giant radio receiver, allowing callers to hear music from local radio stations while they waited on hold. Eagles are known for their soaring ability, which relies on rising columns of warm air called thermals. These thermals are essential for eagles to glide without flapping their wings and conserving energy. What to eat for common problems? The forearm of a man who lived between the 12th and 16th century, a copper plate was fitted to support a fracture. Bone growth shows the man survived the operation and the injury healed quite well. Thanks for watching.